In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Western Union to Easypaisa. First of all, you need to open your Western Union app, then click the menu in the top right corner and click Send Money. Right here, you need to select the receiver's country. In this case, we need to choose the Pakistan. So let's find Pakistan in the list. Right here is Pakistan. Now we need to select the money we want to send, for example, $50. And after that, we will set these options and we need to choose mobile wallet. And from this list, we need to pick Easypaisa. Then click on continue, then click accept. And then we need to enter the receiver's information, first name, surname, and middle name, and the receiver's wallet information. So you can see right here. Then click add and finalize the transaction. That's how we can send money from Western Union to Easypaisa. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.